To make it easy for as many users as possible, Windows gives you ease of access tools as well. So let us see what exactly is that and how to access it. To access the ease of access tools, I'm going to go on to the Start menu, right click on it and go to Settings right over here. And then from Settings over here, you'll be able to find the ease of access. So let me just click over here on ease of access. So you can see that you see three subsections right here called Vision, Hearing and Interaction. So on the Vision, you can change the text size as you can see right over here. So if you're not able to see the small text size for some reason, you can increase this out, apply it, and then it'll apply so that larger text is displayed throughout the windows. I'm just gonna make it back into 100% right over here. And similarly, there are other options like you can show the animations or completely turn off the animations in Windows, and you can hide the scroll bars on Windows over here as well. So different options are provided, and the notification by default is turned on for 5 seconds. So if you want to be turned on for more, then you can choose more like display time as well. So if you want to do that, there's also personalization of your background colors and everything, which you can access from over here. There's the other option called cursor and pointer itself, so you can make your cursor bigger as well, as you can see. So if you find it hard to use with regular cursor, so you can make it bigger or smaller right over here. You can also change the cursor thickness right over here, just like this, as you can see right over here. You can also have visual feedback for touch points if you're using a touch screen, so that's something you can turn on for visual feedback as well. There's a magnifier tool right here, so you can turn on magnification over here as well, as you can see. So it magnifies everything out once you turn this on over here as well. So that's something provided. There's color filters, so if like someone is color blind, then they can actually use this tool right here for turning on different options like grayscale. If they have like tritanopia or something, then they can just check this out, so it's easier for them to see. There's also high contrast mode right here. So if there's a high contrast mode, as you can see, just like this, then what happens is that you get a high contrast setting right over here. So if you feel that that is much more easier to see, then that can be turned on as well. So there's narrator option as well. So if you want everything to be narrated, so usually this is annoying as I find it, but if you want to narrate everything like start menu, whatever is written, then you can actually turn this on as well. So it'll narrate out everything that's written on screen. So if you want to hear rather than see it, you can turn this on over here. There's hearing audio settings as well, so where you can control your audio volume, or you can control your closed captions color over here as well, as you can see over here. The other option is speech, so we're going to see on how we can work with speech in further lessons. And over here there's keyboard option as well, so you can use on-screen keyboard over here as well, which brings in an on-screen keyboard if your keyboard is not working around. And you can also use the sticky keys, as you can see. So if you type too fast and then like multiple keys are being typed, you can turn this on as well. There's other option like mouse, so you can control your mouse with the keypad over here. So what you can do is you can use your number keypad on the right hand side and use like 4 to go to the left and 6 to go to the right. You can also change the speed right here. So in case your mouse is not working for some reason, you can use the number keypad and then use mouse with that. So that's another accessibility feature for you. Also, eye control is there, so if you have an eye tracking device, then you can use that as well. And that is how you can use the ease of access tools and change the settings of ease of access tools inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.